G'day tubers. So, we're out in the little back room of the house. See some shelves and looks like a little bit of a glass kind of atrium. I don't know what you'd call it. It's like a back sunroom thing. And it backs onto the kitchen. Yeah, well, it's just an unused space. It's just got a lot of my stuff in here that's not in the rain. So, there's a chimney here. And behind the chimney there's a gas heater, which costs too much money to run. It's a natural gas heater. So we're having a bit of an experiment. It'll eventually be solar powered, not powered by a battery and a power supply. Diesel heater. So exhaust goes out the wall, intake's in here and there, that's the air intake. I'm currently just sucking from in here. I will change that. And that one there is a window duct for an air conditioner, and that's the hot blowing into the house. That's about 100 degrees Celsius, that air temperature, and it is moving. That's 3-inch ducting, and the airflow is just crazy. It sounds like it's making a lot of noise in here, but it's not actually that loud. When I stick an air filter on that, it'll change noise wise. Exhaust goes out the wall, it's got a silencer on it. I will poke the intake filter back on and hang that down out of the way. We're currently running on some older vegetable oil diesel mix there. I'm just wanting to burn it, so it's gone. In that 1 litre container there's a bit of leftover engine oil and diesel mixed together, same story. I just want to burn the two of them off tonight, so we're just going to use them to heat the house. There's the pump, it says benzene or diesel. Yeah, this is a 12 volt one. I'll put the filter in line on this now. That wall sheeting is probably asbestos, so that's nice and safe from temperature. There's a piece of hardwood that's primed up there, so there's a good bit of air, like a good bit of spacing between everything there. Yeah. So I'll actually link some of these diesel heaters on Banggood and eBay for you in the description, because I highly recommend you buy one. This is a 5 kilowatt. Battery was fairly low on charge when I started. It was just the first one I picked up that had bolts for the bolt-on terminals. Lingering line fuse there. So at the moment, this is plowing air in. It's about 12 degrees, 13 degrees out here. And let's just go inside and I will get the temperature gun out. Okay, so at the moment I've just got this domestic little fan here blowing a bit of air around as it comes in. And there's the duct coming in. I've seen as high as 100. That's coming in with some serious volume behind it, airflow wise. There's the exhaust at the moment, just coming straight out the wall with the muffler on it. Mufflers are definitely necessary. If you don't have one, drop me a comment and I'll link you one, but they are very much necessary. Now I've only just fired it back up again because I ran it out of diesel. I was just burning up some of that horrible stuff. It's 16 degrees in here already, and I'll go and have a look at what it is outside. Okay, I was exaggerating. It's only 8 outside. 6 on the ground. Yeah. So we'll let that setup run for a while and see what I think. What I might end up doing is modifying this bit of ductwork and putting one of the elbows. Where are they? I do have another one out here. Like I did in the high ace. The van one I did. You haven't seen that, go and have a look. Might put one of these blowing the hot that way towards the rest of the house, and the cold one sucking in from the other direction, so then it's kind of doing a circulating thing. But at the moment it's pressurising the house, because that's the only positive feeding of heat at the moment, so that'll actually be pushing the drafts back out. It won't be creating as much heat as if it had a warmer intake air charge, but big old house, not mine, not going to spend the money to fix all the drafts. It's certainly going to fix the draftiness of the house, which is cool. Temperature output might be a little bit affected by the vegetable oil diesel mix rather than the straight diesel, but sucking air in like a champion and blasting it back out. I decided to poke that duct up because it's going to be a bit of ambient air temp in here from the warmer than outside is, just because of the exhaust underneath the unit kicking off heat. This aluminium and foil pipe radiates a little bit of heat, and the battery's getting charged at the moment, so there's a bit of extra warmth in this room. You're better off sucking from up high than down low, so suck a bit of the heat up from up here and send it through the heater and into the house. Also, fumes like carbon dioxide, monoxide generally settle in a low point, so you're not risking drawing them up. That's all pretty cool. It's a bit of a rugged setup for the first one. I will improve it. I'll still give it a test, see if it hits the house, see if it makes a big difference, and go from there. So I'll keep you updated. Links in the vid description to go and buy yourself one of these wicked little diesel heaters. They're generally sub $250. The all-in-ones can be a little bit more, but shop around. If you want a link for anything to do with diesel heaters, drop me a comment, I'll hook you up, and we can get a bit of a commission kickback for the channel, so I can keep buying things like this and playing with them. Thanks heaps for watching. Catch you in the next video.